Okay, on to the distributive property. Okay, now imagine this. You want to do 4 times 27 without the aid of the calculator. In fact, we're not even going to look at it like this as if you do it on pen and paper. What we're going to say is this. Okay, 4 times 27. Now it can be written like this in terms of parentheses. Now imagine you split up the 27 into a 20 and a 7. Okay, well, let's have a look at this. What's 4 times 20? 80. What's a 4 times a 7? It's 28. Okay, you add those two together, you get 108, and that's it. So I just did two separate little multiplications, then added them together. So I didn't even really do this. I didn't go 7 times 4 and I carry this and really that kind of thing. I just split it into two little multiplications. So in fact, here's the general rule. So let's have a look at this. Okay, so C times by A and B, if I do the C times the A and then the C times the B and add them together because that's what this is, then I'll arrive at the answer. Okay, if I do C times A minus C times B, okay, that's just the subtraction one, no different. Okay, now so let's just try another one. So I did 4 times 27. What if I did, I don't know, 6 times 30, I don't know, 38. Let's do that one. 6 times 38. Okay, so we can say, okay, that's 6 times 30 plus 8, because that's what 38 is. All right. Okay, let's do that. 6 times 30 is 180. 6, I did that bit. 6 times 8 is 48. Add those two together, I should get 228, and that's the answer. Okay, so that's the distributive law, just using just numbers. Now, for those who might have heard of distributive law before and used it, yes, when we start to use x's and things, that's later on in the semester, but that's just making life a little bit easier by using the distributive law when you're multiplying.